guys, welcome back to Be Beautethical. If you are new to my channel, my name is Archana. Welcome to my 100% cruelty-free channel. I use products and brands which are absolutely not tested on animals. So welcome to my small community. Do hit that subscribe button and let's get started. So today's video is about my current daytime skincare routine. So normally what I do is when I'm in the bath, I normally cleanse my face and I exfoliate as well in the bath. I have started exfoliation daily nowadays because my skin had become so rough. I had been traveling in between for quite some time and my skin got really damaged. So exfoliation is a key if you want good skin. So I'm using Khadi Herbal Exfoliation Scrub. So today, since I was doing my skincare routine in front of the camera, I thought why not exfoliate in front of the camera as well. So I have cleansed my face in the bath with a face wash. So now I am going to do this on camera. I don't know how it's going to go. Let's just see how it does. So I just take like not a lot of amount. I do it on my neck as well. So very gently I just go about. I kind of exfoliate my lips as well with this. At each area I just take small areas and then for a couple of seconds I just go in circles and then I just move those circles a little bit here and there. It does go into my mouth sometimes, and then around the nose, corners of the nose, and this area. I don't go very close to my eyes, leaving a little bit of space from the eyes. I go to all other areas. I don't go to my eyelids, I don't go to my eyes, very close to my eyes, but otherwise, like that, like that, like that, overhead. Overhead is like a little tricky for me. Go around in circles, like that. And then I do this on my smile lines. I have pretty prominent smile lines, if you've ever noticed. So I have a problem in keeping my makeup in place on my smile lines. So I'm not going down completely till the neck because it's going to be difficult for me to clean it because I've already taken bath. I'm not going to go in for another bath right away. So just go till the corners and go up and make sure that I cover my entire face. This is a very gentle exfoliator. This is almond and honey exfoliator from Khadi Herbals. This was a recent purchase. So I do that for about 2 to 3 minutes, covering my entire face. I do it on my lips as well, and then I just take it off. So I have washed my face and it feels so smooth. It is extremely important to exfoliate your face. So make sure that you are doing it at least once a week if you don't have time for exfoliation daily. But if you are doing it on a daily basis or even weekly basis, make sure that it is a gentle exfoliator and it is for the face. Please do not use body scrubs on the face. It can cause really bad damage and it can cause your pigmentation to accentuate, and that is something that you do not want. It can really damage your skin. So make sure whatever you're using on the face, make sure that it is meant for the face and it is gentle. So next I am using this skin toner from Joey's. It is their rose toner and it has rose pearl extract, orange peel extract, peach extract, lemongrass and chamomile. So this is for normal to dry skin. Although I don't have dry skin, my skin can be categorized into normal sometimes. So this I'm just going to spray it on a cotton pad and just dab it on my face. So what a toner does is when you wash your face or when you exfoliate your face, your pH levels of the skin, they get disturbed. So what a toner does, it just helps your skin to get back the regular normal pH levels and balances the levels on your skin. Next, I have this eye gel from Forest Essentials. It's their light hydrating Hydra eye gel. This, I was told that it is for daytime, although sometimes I use it for nighttime as well. This is a little bit expensive. This is how it looks inside. This is a little bit expensive. It is 975 rupees and you get 15 grams of product, but a little bit goes a very long way. So I don't know if you can see how much of the product I have taken. That much is enough for both your eyes, and I just do that and pat. I also like to take it at the corners of my hair and sometimes over the lids. So it's moisturizer time. So I'm using this Beautethical Bio Coconut Brightening and Whitening Cream. So I don't use this to whiten my face, of course, but I use it more to brighten. I'm really not a believer of creams getting you that fairness and making your skin tone lighter and all that. That is something that I do not believe in. I used to use a fairness cream for a very long time of my life, and that was not because I believed that it will make me fairer. It's just because that was the only cream that helped me stay matte. I didn't have a lot of knowledge at that time about different creams, mattifying, this, that available in the market. So that was the only thing that actually kept me matte, and it controlled the oils throughout the day. So that was the only reason why I used to use, and people actually used to think that I want to lighten my skin, and they used to always tell me, do you think you're going to become fairer by using this? It's not actually good. I said, I know it's not good. It's just that this is the only cream that I can put on my skin and step out, because it doesn't make me oily. It doesn't, it controls the oils on my face. That's the only reason that I wear it. So the next item is this turmeric essential oil from Sultry. I mix this essential oil, a few drops of this essential oil in my moisturizer. So I'm just going to, I have taken a little bit of moisturizer on my hand, and I'm going to add a few drops of this turmeric essential oil. So I don't know if you can see the yellow oil there, and then I am just going to rub my fingers together and like that, and like that. So this turmeric oil is because I want to brighten up my face a little bit. My face has really tanned because of the traveling that I had done in between, and there was different weather. The weather conditions were different. It was a very, very dry climate that I was sometime back, and it's been more than a month since I'm back. But the story of my life, this tan just doesn't go off. So I just make sure that I have moisturized really good, and I really massage this cream into my skin. So for like 30 seconds or 45 seconds, I just make sure that the combination of this turmeric essential oil and the bio coconut moisturizer really seeps through my skin to provide good moisturization to my skin. And whatever is left on my hand, I always put it on the back of my hand, and I just do that. So next I'm going to use the sunscreen. So this is the Bio Aloe Vera sunscreen from Beauty, and this has an SPF of 30, which is enough for now because it is rainy season. Even in 2025 would do, I guess. So during summer season, I normally go in for 50 SPF. I try to go in for 50 SPF, but during rainy season, 30 is something that I can live with. So I just apply this thoroughly on my face and my neck. It really takes time for tan to go off. Once you have tanned your skin, it doesn't go off very easily. At least mine doesn't go off very easily. So I am trying to brighten up my face a little bit more by adding a few things which try to brighten the skin. So this is my current skincare routine. I just really massage even the sunscreen into my skin so that all the benefits of the products that I'm using really get to my skin. And of course add a lip balm, and there my skincare is complete. This is my daytime skincare routine as of now. So if I'm staying at home, this is it. I don't put anything on top of this, not even powder. So this does seem to look a little bit oily, but it settles down after some time. And if I am stepping out, sometimes I just put on some powder, some lipstick and some like mascara maybe, and if I'm in the mood to get ready properly, then I do the rest of my makeup as well. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Do hit that like button if you did, and let me know what your skincare routine is like, and also if you have any products which I can add to my skincare routine which will help brighten up my skin further. All suggestions are welcome. Please don't hesitate to put them in the comment section below. I hope you're having a great day. It has started raining really hard. I don't know if you can hear it through the video. So I'm going to go ahead and enjoy my hot masala tea. I hope you're having a great day. Have an even better week ahead, and I will see you again very soon with another cruelty-free video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.